The Constitution contemplates three distinctive arms of government of similar status and priority to ensure the ability to uphold necessary checks and balances. The mistaken perception that the judiciary is subordinate to the other arms of government is a historic bastardization of the principle of separation of powers, which must be deconstructed. The National Police Service is established as part of the organs of the national security, which must serve all people and institutions equally and without prejudice. This habit of the service operating as an appendage of the executive, giving undue credence to the superiority of the executive over the judiciary, is an unacceptable relic. The complaint raised by the Chief Justice indicates an insufferable failure on the part of the National Police Service, which must be rectified promptly, and action taken to prevent such reoccurrence.